Across France, there are thousands of stunning chateaux.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Many lying in a state of disrepair.
My arms and hands are aching already.
Are now being brought back to life.
That's the wobble I remember. Just enough to scare you.
By inspired Brits.
Just gives you that extra push to get on and finish it now.
Who are taking on the challenge.
Oh my God, covered.
To renovate these old historic buildings.
Oh, forgot about that side.
Into incredible new homes.
Absolutely perfect.
And booming businesses.
Go, go, go.
There'll be highs.
Well, we are on cloud 9.
And lows.
This is a mess, Ed. Can't believe it.
But with great effort
God, my heart's gone.
comes great reward.
It's really, really good.
Well done.
Well done, us.
As they get to live the dream.
This is what it's all about in France.
As custodians.
Cheers.
Something.
Of their very own castle. And have travelled to Derval in the Pays de la Loire. Close to the town lies the majestic 14th century Château la Garlais. With a vast 21-acre estate, it boasts formal gardens and even its own lake.
Oh, lovely.
Wow.
It's a gorgeous French formal garden. We haven't seen anything like that, have we?
No, nothing yet. Oh, wow. No, it's really
Look at the
nice.
topiary.
It's over budget at just under £700,000, so they would need to negotiate on price. But it certainly delivers on wedding venue appeal outside.
Gorgeous steps up there. Be lovely for taking pictures.
Oh, that chimney's spectacular, but look at it. It's on a funny angle. It's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Oh, it is. That could be a worry. Bonjour.
Yes. Hello.
Showing them around are agents Gonzague and Nathalie.
Nice to meet you, Gonzague.
Ooh, big portrait. Gosh.
The dining room is currently used as a self-contained suite, but has plenty of space for hosting.
It's a long
Yes,
room,
for
so
the
that you have
table.
long
Long
tables,
tables.
Yes,
sitting
long table.
maybe 20 people.
Oh, look at the tapestries.
These tapestries are considered as fixtures because they have been nailed inside.
Lovely.
Yeah.
There's also a characterful library for cozier gatherings.
Oh, that's very charming. Yes, lovely. I absolutely love the tall windows, the light that's coming in.
The chateau has been extended over the years, making plenty of living space for large groups.
So this is an extension to the chateau. It's
Okay.
not the main chateau. We're now in the outbuilding. Still got a nice window, still got a lovely view, but we've got a lower ceiling now. We're not in such a grand room.
Some of the outbuildings have also been converted into self-contained accommodation, perfect for Jane and Rory to use when the chateau has guests.
All these outside buildings, there's so much space here.
Yeah.
This viewing is certainly giving them food for thought, and there's still the upstairs and grounds to explore. In the Pays de la Loire, prospective buyers Jane and Rory are exploring this 14th century chateau packed with the period features they're looking for.
Just look at those arches. You see, you can still see the way everything was hammered by hand to carve it.
The stonemasons carved his name.
Excellent.
Okay.
Alors ça, c'est un demi-étage.
Okay. Mezzanine.
They're looking for somewhere they can call home and also rent out for weddings and events.
Right, see? Probably a nice room to stay in. You see,
Absolutely
it catches the sun in the
gorgeous,
morning.
isn't it? Yeah. View of the garden.
It's good to be woken up by birds and sun in the morning.
That's really lovely.
There's plenty of room for guests here with 8 spacious bedrooms.
And here you have like a wide corridor again that will lead to every single bedroom. Here's the main bedroom.
Aha.
Big beams again.
Same.
You can still see the axe marks where they've carved the beam.
Beautiful.
The chateau seems to be impressing, and they're yet to see the 21 acres of grounds and formal gardens.
You need the statue of Madame here.
Yeah.
Looking at the chateau, because you get quite a good view from here.
You do.
There's also a fishing lake, which alone covers nearly 5 acres.
It's just spectacular.
It's absolutely huge, isn't it? Very, very beautiful.
We definitely have to get a boat.
It may be over budget, but the chateau delivers on period features, separate accommodation, and event venue potential.
Thank you very much.
Okay, goodbye, Rory.
Take care.
Goodbye, au revoir, Jane.
Jane and Rory have a lot to think about.
The grounds are just lovely. The lake, the lake's just huge. We love it. There's so much to like about this, and there's so much potential for developing some of the outbuildings. It's very exciting to think about.
It's grand enough to be a function venue. I mean, the steps that lead up to the entrance, that's where you could have your wedding photos. You could have wedding photos on a jetty on the lake. There's just so much potential, and there's nothing that is desperately urgent to fix, which is wonderful.